Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So now we will start our today's class. I just simply share my screen, then we will start. Okay. So now can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Okay. So basically, previous class we also tried to discuss about this part, how you can easily work with the different times of different time satellite images, yearly satellite images, and also make this land use land cover classification map. So basically, today I will try to show you that how you can easily work with the change detection. So how you can easily make the change detection map using Google Earth Engine platform, as well as also using the ArcMap software. Okay. So first of all, I will try to show you that how you can easily use the ArcMap software, then make the change detection map. Then we also try to discuss about that Google Earth Engine for how you can easily make the change detection map. Okay, so let's go. So basically in this time here you can see I created the total 4 time period land use land cover classification map for 2001, 2011, 1991, 2021. In this time I want to show you that how you can easily make the change detection map between the from year of 1991 from 2021. So these two map 1991 and 2021, how you can easily create this change detection between this time period from year of 1991 to 2021 using the Google Earth Engine platform, as well as also using the ArcMap software. Okay, so let's go. I just simply try to show you that. So for using the ArcMap software, so first of all you have to download it this map in a tip images in Google Drive. Okay, just you can simply click to the run and also click to the run in here, and then it will be automatically downloaded in your Google Drive. So here I already downloaded the map 1991 and 2021. I want to work with the two of land use land cover classification map, and then try to make the change detection map, and also calculated the change detection area between this time period. Okay. Okay, so let's go. I already downloaded these two LULC map tip images in here, and okay, so let's go. I simply open this image in tip image in my ArcMap software, both 1991 and 2021, and then try to make the change detection map for the different time period year of 1991 and 2021. So now here I already downloaded the two map. So I can simply open this map in ArcMap software and then try to make this change detection map between the year of 1991 and 2021. So just I simply open the ArcMap software. So here I already some work with this file. So in this time I just simply remove all of the things and try to start as a fast. I simply open a blank or a new ArcMap windows. Okay, and I simply remove the previous all of the tags. So just I simply take a new ArcMap window, and then I simply import my LULC tip image for 1991 and 2021 and work with this. So in this time, first of all, I need to import the shapefile of this area. So here I already get the shapefile. So just I simply open the shapefile from here. So this is the shapefile of Islamabad. So just I simply open this shapefile in my ArcMap software. I simply drag this shapefile in here, then it will be added in here. So this is my area, and for this region I want to create already created in Google Earth Engine platform for 2 year time period LULC map. So I already downloaded this map, Islamabad 2021 as well as also 1991. So just I simply drag and open it in here. So just I simply drag and open it, and also drag and open it in ArcMap software. Okay, so now you can see I can import it my all of the necessary file. This is my boundary area. This is my LULC map for 2021, and this is the map for 1991. Okay, so now I just work with this all of the work. So first of all, I need to work with this. I need to create the map, individual LULC map for 2021 and 1991. So between the 2 years, I want to make the individual LULC map. So for this, I simply go to the catalog tool and go to the extract by marks extraction. Then go to the extract by marks. Click to here and input raster. So first of all, I want to work with the Islamabad 2021. I simply click to here and input feature. I simply put this input feature name such as Islamabad. This is my boundary of the shape file of Islamabad. Then I simply change the name. Suppose I put this name. You can use any name. I simply put the name LULC 2021. Okay, I want to work with the LULC 2021 TP images. Then click to the OK. So now it created the map for 2021. So now it created, you can see. We added all of the color, all of the things later. And I also do for the same tags also 991. So go to the catalog tool and extract by marks. Input the raster. Islamabad 1991. I simply click here. Then input feature Islamabad shapefile. And also change the name. Suppose LULC 1991. Okay. Then save it and click to the OK. So now it also created the another map for 1991. You can see we can get this map. So in this time I simply remove it. It's not needed in this time. I simply remove and it also remove. So in this time I simply add the all of the level and also add the some proper color. Okay, so let's go. I simply click to here and go to the properties. From the properties, I simply go to the symbology. So symbology, and I simply select first of all 0. So you can see when I take the value for the 0, 0 is that water. Okay, 0 is identify the water. Okay, so you can see 0 water, then 1 is forest. So I simply put this value according to this serial. So first of all 0, 0 is that water. Then 1 is the forest. Then I simply after forest I use here this another, you can see 0 1 2 0 1 2 2 is the build up area, then agriculture, build up area, then agriculture. So I simply put here the build up, and 3 is the agriculture. So just I simply use here the agriculture, and 4 is the barren land. I simply put here the barren land. Okay, and I will set the color. Suppose water, I simply set the water color is that I simply use this blue color. Look, this forest, I simply use there this green color. Then build up area red color. Agriculture I want to show as agriculture as this. I want to show this color, agriculture. Then barren land, I want to show the barren land as a, okay, I use here the gray color. So I use the gray color, okay, for the barren land. Okay, then apply and okay. So now I can see this map it created. I can get, okay. In this time, I also do for this, in this time, I also do for the same things for 2021 also. Okay. So for this, you can see, I want to use the same color also in here. Okay. And the same name, water, forest, below area. So I simply go to the properties. And in this time, I simply, you can see color map. I simply click on the color map and export the color map. Okay. So I simply export the color map. And I simply save the color map in download folder and put this color map in any name you can use. So I simply put this name, suppose color. Okay, so I use the same color. So I simply export the color and then import the color in 2021 legend also. Okay, then I can get the same color. So I simply save it and okay. So then I simply go to the LULC, then go to the properties, then color map. Then you can see import color map. So I simply import in this time which file I want to export. Just you can see color. I simply import this. So I simply click to here and open it. So now I can see all of the color is directly added in here. Same color directly added in here. So just I simply put this name, suppose water, and then I can simply put this name forest. Then also add this name, suppose build up area, Then also add here the agriculture, and also use here the bare land. So I simply put here the bare land. Okay. Now okay, apply and apply and okay. So now I can see I can get this 2 time period LULC map. So in this time, I just make the change detection area between this 2 time period, and then try to make the change detection map also. Okay. So basically, when you want to make the change detection map, we need to work some steps. So first of all, I need to convert this year of 1991 and 2021, both of image. I need to convert from raster to vector. So I need to convert from raster to vector all of the things. So just I simply use the raster to polygon this tool. So just I simply go to the catalog and find out this conversion tools. Okay. Then from raster, so raster to polygon, you can see I simply click on the raster to polygon. The input raster. In this time, I simply put the input raster. First of all, I need to work with the LULC 1991. So I simply select this LULC 1991 and then select the value. And if you want to change the name, it's also okay. There is no problem. I simply change the name and put the name, suppose LULC. Then I simply use the 1991. Okay. Then I can simply save and okay. So now it convert to raster to polygon for we can get the result for 1991. Okay, so now it will be working. So in this time you can see it will be convert to raster and vector. Okay, vector to raster to vector, all of the feature. And I simply open this attribute table. You can see here I can get all of the ID. You can see, so I can see 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4. We can get all of the grid ID. So in this time I need to merge all of the several features into single features according to the class using the dissolve tool. So in this time I need to use the dissolve tool and then make the merge all of the similar classes. Okay, so let's go. I simply try to show you that. So we need to merge all of these things. So just I simply go to the dissolve tool. I simply remove it, not remove. From the geoprocessing, I simply go to the dissolve tool. You can see dissolve. Simply click on the dissolve. So here I can simply put here this input feature. So input feature I simply put here this LULC 1991, and then I simply check here the grid code. Okay, so I simply check the grid code, and then all of the things will be same, and then click to the OK. So you can see all of them will be same, and then I simply click to the OK. If you want, you can also change the name, no problem. I use the same name, okay, for this. So I simply use the same name and okay. So now it will be dissolved and merge all of the similar classes and created the another attribute table. You can see. Okay, so now it dissolved. You can see. I can simply open this attribute table. So here you can see here I can get all of the class 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also get the shape and shape area. You can also get. In this time I simply create the add field, add a new add field I want to add. So I simply go to the add field and put this name, suppose class 1991. Okay, and this the text is the I can simply type is the text and okay. So in this time I want to add all of the text in here step by step. So what is the 0? I can simply in this time I simply edit it. So I simply click here and go to the edit feature, start editing, and put this name. Suppose first of all 0. 0 is identify the water body. I simply put here the water. Then I also need to add here the what is the 1? 1 is the forest. Then what is the then build up area? Build up. Okay. Then I simply put here the agriculture. I put here the agriculture, and put here the bare land. Okay. So now it's okay. I simply click on the editor and then stop editing and then save it. Okay. So now it's set save in here class 1991. In this time I simply take the another field, so I simply click on the add a field and put this field name, suppose area. I can see area 1991. Okay, then I calculated all of the area again in here, so I simply said select this double. Okay, then I simply click to the OK and click here and then go to this here the calculate geometry. Okay, just click here. In this time we can just click to the yes. Okay, you can see in this time it's showing the area is the dissolvable. Okay, we did not calculate the area in this time because in this time this projection system is the geographic projection system. In this time I need to change this projection system and then try to work with this for this. Okay, so just in this time I need to use the UTM projection system. Okay, from this region of Islamabad. Okay, then I want simply work with this. In this time it's showing the geographic coordinate system WGS 1984 like this. In this time I need to just convert this. So I suppose I did not know what is the um, projected coordinate system of the Islamabad. I don't know, so I simply search in Google and then find out this coordinate system, the projected coordinate system. So I simply search here Pakistan projected coordinate system. Of course, from Pakistan, I can check it. We can get the this is the UTM zone 43 north. Okay, this is the projected system. UTM zone 43 north for Pakistan, and geographic coordinate system is the WJS 84. So in this time, I simply set this UTM zone 43 north. Okay, in here. So just I simply go to the layers and go to the properties. And from this properties, I simply go to the coordinate system. I simply go to this coordinate system, projected coordinate system. Then go click on the UTM. My reason is that UTM WGS 84. I simply click here. And this is the southern hemisphere. I simply find out this UTM zone. This is the 43. I check again. 43 degree north. 43 north in. So 43 south. I need the 43 north. Okay, I need this northern hemisphere, sorry. So 43 you can say double generated but 43 north. I simply select apply and okay. So now it's set it. I simply click on here and go to the calculate geometry again and yes, and in this time you can see area is I can calculate the area also. Okay, and I can simply set the different different types of unit. If you want, you can calculate the area in the hectare, square kilometer, square feet, square meters, square miles. You can use anything what you need. So in this time I simply select this area, suppose as a hectares. You can use the hectare or square kilometer and nothing. I simply hectare. Okay, then okay, then yes. So now I calculate the area in hectare. Okay. Okay, so you can see in this time I calculated the area for 1991 for this all of the water forest, all of the things I calculate the area. So in this time this column is not needed. I simply turn field off, and it also not need. I simply turn field off. Okay, so in this time I simply click on here and I can simply change the name. It's also better. So I simply change the name. Suppose I simply put the name. I simply click on properties and then go to the general and put this name LULC 1991. So I simply remove the resolve and apply. Okay, and it's not neat. In this I simply remove it. Okay, so you can see now I can get here all of the you can see this is the my class and this is my area I can get for 1991. Okay, in this time I also take for the same tax also for 2021 for calculating all of the things I can simply put the same. Okay, so same things I can also do for this. So for first of all in this time I want to work with this satellite work with this LULC map. Okay, so for this first of all I need to convert raster to polygon. Same way I simply go to the catalog and click on the raster to polygon. Okay, then input raster, I simply put here the input raster LULC 2021. Then I can simply change the name. Suppose I can put the name, suppose LULC 2021. Okay, then just I simply put save it. Okay, then okay, so now I can see it created from polygon raster to polygon as a vector format. Okay, it created, you can see. In this time I simply open this attribute table. Here I can get all of the, you can see grid. Okay, in this time all of the same grid, all of the same class I need to merge. Okay, using the dissolve tool. So just I simply click on the geoprocessing and go to the dissolve. Then input feature, I simply put here this input feature LULC 2021. I want to work with this. I want to simply click on the grid. Okay, then click to the OK. So now it will be work. Okay, so now you can see here I simply dissolve it, you can see. So here in this time I simply take a field, then also calculate the area for the 2021. Same process, I simply click on the add a field and put the field name. Suppose I can simply put this field name class 2021. Okay, and then I simply put the class name for 2021. So just I simply click on here and go to the sorry, I need to edit feature. I need to edit, start editing. I need to edit it 2021, dissolve this file, then continue. And then I simply put here, first of all, 0. 0 is the water. Okay, so I make a mistake in here. Okay, so I need to change something. Just a minute, I simply stop editing. And okay, so in this time I also delete this field and take the field again and put this name, suppose class 2021. I need to select here this text. Okay, this type I need to select. This type is the text, and okay. So now I can easily add this. I go to the start editing and I would edit the 2000 dissolve 2021. Okay, and continue dissolve 2021, and I simply put here first of all water, and then put here the forest, then put here this build up, then also put here the agriculture, and also put here the bare land. Okay, then done. Then simply click the start and stop editing and save it. In this place, I will take the another field again for calculating the area. So just I simply take the add a field, and field name is that area 2021. I can just put this 2021, and type is a double. Then okay. Then click on here and click on the calculate geometry. Simply click the calculate geometry. Then yes, I want to calculate the geometry in hectare unit. Okay, you can see previous time I also added this coordinate system. That's why it already added in also in here. Then click to the OK. So now I can click the OK. So now I can say I can get also the area for the 2021 also in here. So in this time I just show you that in this time I simply change this name. Suppose I simply put this name LULC 2021. Just apply and OK, and it's not needed. I simply remove it. Okay, so you can see I can get the two file. Okay, for the calculating all of the things year of 2021, and also get the another things for the 1991. Okay, using these two file I just simply make the change detection map and also calculated the change area. Okay, how much water body is the time to the vegetation, this type of calculation we can do. So in this time we need to create the change between the years using the intersect tool of the geographic tools we need to use here. for calculating this change between the change area. So just I simply go to the geoprocessing tool and then click on the intersect tool. So from the geoprocessing, I simply click intersect tool. Okay. From this intersect tool, I just simply add my LULC 2000. First, I use the LULC 1991, and then I can simply select at the LULC 2021. Okay, so warning I can put the wrong in here. So just when I check it, I take the again intersect, click error or warning icons for this information. Input feature database LLC not does not exist, is not supported. Click to more details for it not support. And also check I take the for the 2021. Then I simply put this output name. Suppose I can simply put the name area change. You can put any name. I simply put the area change. Suppose 1991 21 to 2021. Okay. Then I simply click to the OK. Okay. Then OK. So LLC anyone is not existing. It's not correct. So I think some problem in this software also. But this is a crack software, so that's why sometimes it also take the sum wrong. Okay, just I try to again. Intersect tool from 1991 will already showing the error. Input absent the error. Okay, so I simply take this data set look like this. Okay, so first of all, I simply take export the data, export data, put this name suppose LULC LC area 1991. Okay, then save it. And okay, I add this again in here. And also remove this not then same ways also with this I simply go to this data export data and put this name suppose LULC area 2021. Okay, then save it. Okay, then I also remove it. And I also check this attribute table. I can get the same information so you can see. Now I want to use at the geoprocessing tool and go to the intersect. So 1991. Okay, so now I have to work. So now 2021. Okay, now we can see we did not get any wrong. So just I simply click to here and put this name suppose change area. Change area. I simply put the change area and put the name such as 1921 to 2021. Okay, then save it. Okay, so now it will work for the intersecting. Okay, so just okay, so what this file index is completed. Okay, so now I simply go to this add data LULC change area. Just a minute. I try to again. What's the problem? Intersect. Then I simply 1991 and also add the 2021. Okay. Then so just I simply change the name. Okay, so it already added the change. Change is already added in here. Change area. And what is the file location? RGS default. Just a minute. I simply put this change. Okay, then save it. Do that. Okay. Okay, so now I can see it will be added in here. Change area. Okay. So now I can simply change the name. I can use any name. So change area from 1991 to 2021. Okay, then apply and okay. Apply and okay. Okay. So now I can see I simply go to this attribute table in here. So here I can get attribute table. In this table, I need to create the two column. I create the two column change and area change. Okay. So I simply take a go to that field, add field, add field, and put the name suppose change. Okay, change and this the text and okay. Okay, I simply take this change and just I simply go to the field geocalorimetry. So in this time I need to use the equation in here for calculating the change, all of the change. So I simply click to here and then go to the field calculator. Okay, in this field calculator I simply use this formula is that I just simply use here the class 1991. Then I simply use here this class 2021. Okay, so class 2021, right? Class 2021. Okay, now I simply use here this plus sign, plus sign. Okay, and also use here the quotation and also use here the minus and also quotation and also use here the plus sign. Okay, so just I simply put this. I use here the space. Okay, so now I just simply click to the OK. Okay, so then simply plus OK. So now it can. So you can see we can get the all of the change. Suppose water to water, water to forest, water to build up area, water to agriculture, water to barren land, forest to water, forest to forest, forest to build up area, forest to agriculture, forest to barren land, then build up to water, build up to forest, build up to agriculture, build up to barren land, agriculture to water. So all of that we can calculate. In this time, we need to calculate the another field. It's called the change area. How much water turn into the water? How much forest turn into the water? So suppose in this time, how much water body turn into the forest in year of 2021? Okay, how much water turn into build up area year 1991? So this type of calculation, just for this I simply create the another add field, and then I simply put the change area or area change. You can put anything. So I simply put this area change and put this in suppose as a double. Okay, then yes. So after this I simply just add here this double and I simply open this area change column in here. Okay, and then I simply calculated the area. So for this I simply just click on here and then go to the calculate geometry. Then yes, then unit I simply add the unit as a hectare unit. Okay, then okay, then yes. So now I can get all of the change area between this time period. year of 1991 to 2021. How much water we turned the water into in 2021? Okay, we can get all of the things we can get. Okay, so this is our information. So now I can easily export this all of the data in Excel file and try to make the chart or anything what I need. So then in this time you can see I calculated the change area between the year of 2091 to 2021. Between this time period I create this change area. Okay, so in this time anyone any question you can ask me about this in here. Anyone any question for calculating the change area using the software? Anyone any question? Any question for calculating this area? And now we can simply get all of the data in here. Now I can simply open all of the data in ArcMap software and then make the further analysis for making the different types of chart or change area chart. This type of work we can easily do using the Excel file or other things. Okay, but this is our task, how I can get the change area. Okay, change area and also get the change classes. Okay, water to forest. All of the things we can calculate in here between the 2 year of 1991 and 2021. Okay, so any question in here? Anyone any question? Okay. Okay. So in this time, I try to show you that how you can easily make the change detection map. Suppose when you want to present the change detection map, then we can easily work with the change detection map, and we can easily represent all of the change detection area. So for this, I just simply open this my ArcMap software.